It's January 17th and we've had a bit of a snowstorm. So Rachel is trying out her boots for the first time. It's snow!
Freya.
Yes, Freya. Freya likes the snow. I wonder where Freya's ball is under all this snow. I wonder how we'll find it. There, she found it! Look, she found it! Rachel, is it cold? I'm gonna kick the ball. Okay. Whoa! Is the snow cold? Can you throw it? It's like throwing a snowball. You'll learn a lot about that as time goes on. Yeah, can you step? Can you stomp in the snow? Whoa! Maybe we should put your ski pants on too. Yeah, I know. It's, yeah, Freya. Yeah, Freya's ball. I'm going to kick it, okay? There it is. Whoa! Okay, bye-bye, Freya. Bye-bye, Rachel. Have fun in the snow. Snow. You want to say it one more time with me? Snow. Rachel, can you say it again? Snow. Maybe not this time. Snow.
Ball.
Oh, the ball too. Okay, bye-bye.